Can you deadhead a knockout rose by cutting off a whole branchlet if every bloom on it is spent? And this is from Miss Kathleen right here in Memphis. So the old knockout rose.
Oh,
right?
wow.
I have one at home. So what do you think about that? Do you think it's necessary to prune off?
No, you don't have to cut the whole, because all roses you're supposed to cut back the branch after the spent bloom is gone to the fifth or seventh leaf one, and then you want to cut to an outward a leaf that is facing outward, because you want to get the plant to spread out for air circulation because of all the disease problems with roses. You get as much air circulation as possible. So no, she doesn't have to do that. But I'm kind of curious as to why there's a whole bunch of them on that particular stem.
Okay.
Because that reminds me of a problem that we have now called rose rosette. And if that's the case, I mean, not with the picture, we don't know.
Right, we don't know.
But if it does have rose rosette, you might as well just take out the whole plant because it's never going to go away.
Right.
And it's a mite that vectors that, so it'll spread it around.
Yeah, it's an aerophied mite. Yeah.
So I don't, if you like roses and this one particular one has it, you might want to get rid of it faster so it doesn't affect the other roses you have if you have more roses.
Right. And another thing too about knockout roses, and of course, again, I have one at home, they're pretty much self-cleaning.
Yeah, that's why I'm curious as to why. I mean, why does it look so bad that she wants to cut it off? And that's what made me think of rose rosette.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.